there. Types of operator: unary operator, arithmetic operator, assignment operator, relational operator, bitwise operator, logical operator, ternary operator, and shift operator. Operator precedence. This is the chart given for the operator precedence. Java operator present. Look here first, that is unary, then arithmetic, then shift, then relational, then bitwise, then logical, then ternary, then assignment. Assignment places at last, and unary places the first. First place, that is a unary. In a unary, postfix is the first place, and prefix is the after that. In arithmetic operator, there is multiplicative and additive. So multiplicative is the first place, then additive place. Then shift operator, all are same. Relational operator, in which comparison operator first, then equality operator. Bitwise operator first, and then or, bitwise or, then inclusive or. Then logical and, then logical or. Ternary, then assignment. At last, that is the assignment operator. Java unary operator. Java unary operator require only one operand. Unary operator are used to perform various operations, that is incrementing, decrementing a value by 1, negation and expression, inverting the value of a pooling. Unary operator example: increment and decrement. Here one example given, class name operator example, public static void main. Have you seen? Here one variable I have taken, x equal to 10. Took here system out println x plus plus. Then system out println plus plus x. Then system out println x minus minus. Then system out println minus minus x. Look here, first x plus plus and plus plus x. X plus plus is called the post increment. Plus plus x is called the pre increment. X minus minus, post decrement, minus minus x, pre decrement. So look here, now value of x is 10. So what is coming? 10. Then after that, what is the value of the internal value of x is 11. Then 11 plus 1, 12. So second line it displays the 12. Then after that, post decrement, so value will not change the 12, but internal value change 11. Then here pre decrement, then minus 10. Then 10 will come. Java arithmetic operator. Java arithmetic operator used to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. They act as a basic mathematical operation. Java arithmetic operator example: class operator example, public static void main string int a equal to 10, int b equal to 5, system dot out println a plus b, system dot out println a minus b. System dot out println a plus b, system dot out println a minus b, system dot println a into b, system dot println a by b, system dot println a modulus b. Look here, now value of a is 10 and value of b is 5. So a plus b, 10 plus 5, 15. A minus b, 10 minus 5, 5. And a into b, 10 into 5, 50. A by b means, it means quotient operator. 10 divided by 5, quotient will come 2. Then a percent b, actually this is a modulus operator. So 10 divided by 5, then remainder will give the 0. Now assignment operator. Assignment operator is one of the most common operator. It is used to assign the value on its right to the operand on its left. Java assignment operator example, just you see the example here. Public static void main string args int a equal to 10, b equal to 20, a plus equal to 4, b minus equal to 4, system out println a, system out println b. Look here, value of a and b, that is a 10 and 20. After that, what is a plus equal to 4? It means that a equal to a plus 4. That is why 10 plus 4, 14. Then written b minus equal to 4. It means b equal to b minus 4. So that is 20 minus 4, 16. The answer will come 16. So first line output will come the 14. The second line output will come the 16. Like this way it will come. Java has so many operators, that is left shift operator and right shift operator. This is the example of left shift operator. Left shift operator is used to shift all of bits in a value to the left side of a specified number of times. Here one example look here given 10 left shift 2. What is the means of this? 10 into 2 power 2. Okay, 2 power, here shift means 2. If we are written the left shift, then power of 2. So that is why 10 into 2 power of 2. So 2 into 2, what is coming? 4. So 10 into 4, 40. Same with 10 left shift 3. Then 10 into 2 power 3. The 2 power 3, what is coming? 8. So 10 into 8, 80. Same with 20 left shift 2. What is the means? 20 into 2 power 2. It means 20 into 4, 80. Like this way it will print. Then 15 left shift 4. It means that 15 into 2 power 4. Then 240. Like this way it work. Right shift operator. Right shift operator is used to move left operand value to right by the number of its specified by the right operand. Java right shift operator example. Look here, right shift operator, left shift operator for the multiply and right shift operator for the divide. Look at 10 right shift 2. What is the means of this? 10 by 2 power 2. 10 by 2 power 2 and 2 power 2, 4. So 10 divided by 4, 4 to the 8. Quotient will come 2. Then 20 right shift 2. Then 20 divided by 2 power 2. It means that 20 divided by 4. The 4 5 is 20. The 5 will come. Like this way it work. Java shift operator example. It is also the example of Java shift operator. Now logic and operator. There are various logic operators, and or not. There are 3 logical operator, and or not, in which I am going to teach you about the logical and operator. Logic and operator does not check second condition. Its first condition is false. It checks second condition only if the first condition is true. Suppose 2 condition is given. If first condition will give the result true, then it check to the second condition. If first condition will give the result false, then it will not check the second condition. Now look here. Here written a equal to 10, b equal to 5, c equal to 20. If the value of a, here what is it? A less than b and a less than c. Value of a is less than b and less than c. If suppose both the condition give the result, then it gives the result true. Otherwise it gives the result false. So look here. Value of a is 10, value of b is 5, but value of c is 20. So second time it gives the result false. So it gives false. Same condition in the second line. Or operator. Logical or operator does not check second condition if first condition is true. It check second condition only if first one is false. If first condition will give the result true, then it check to the second condition. Otherwise it does not check. The bitwise or operator always check both the conditions, whether first condition is true or false. Look here. A equal to 10, b equal to 5, c equal to 20. A greater than b logic or a less than c. Look here, value of a is 10, value of b is 5. So a greater than b condition true. Then a less than c. A less than c condition will true. So both the condition true, that is why it gives the result true only. Like this way it work. Ternary operator. This is very important operator. Ternary operator is used. Ternary operator is used as one linear replacement for if then else statement and use a lot in Java programming. It is only conditional operator which takes three operands. Java ternary operator example, class operator example. Look here is the name of the operator example. A equal to 2, B equal to 5. Look here, int mean equal to A less than B. If the value of A is less than B, then it gives the result true. If it gives the result true, then A will execute. If it gives the result false, then B will execute. So in this case, A less than B, 2 is less than 5, condition true, then A will execute. So then answer is 2. Java shorthand. Actually, compound of assignment operator and other operator is called the assignment. Is called the shorthand. That is also named shorthand. Shorthand is the combination of assignment plus other operator. Plus equal to, minus equal to, multiply equal to, quotient equal to, modulus equal to, less than equal to, all are the shorthand. It is given the example of the shorthand. A equal to 3, A equal to 10, then A plus equal to 3, then 10 plus 3, 13. Like this way it will show.